matter in second list had come up yesterday.
Lord, I am for respond
And-
number 2,
Notice is deferred to 2 as of now.
but I am appearing.
What is this?
My lords, this is a case where I file a suit against the second respondent.
Hmm.
If your lordships have the file.
Idrupa.
This, my lords, what happened is after I get an injunction, lords, the injunction in the suit is against the second respondent, restraining them from interfering with my possession.
All right.
Now, my lords, when I go to implement, the police give help to the defendant. Now, police files, the case of the police is FIR is registered against me and him. And they, my lords, virtually throw out my containers, lock the premises. We have the CCTV footings and the photos. The police, instead of assisting me, please see the photos at page 147. Or they should not have done anything.
Which police station is this?
Lords, this is the Avanahalli police station. That's why it had come up yesterday, the lordships. That's the first respondent. We have the pen drive also. Pen drive office did not.
Lord, I am
To
for the
show
second
what they do.
respondent. Lord, I am for the second respondent. Lord, I have been in possession for the last 50
There
years
is an
of
injunction
the property.
today.
Civil suit and injunction. Yeah.
Ide, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ
I have
ಇದೆ.
not been heard. It was an ex parte order. I have, Lord, it was an ex parte order to protect the plaintiff if he is in possession. He is not in possession. I am in possession. My lords, usually it is not after an order is granted by the civil court that somebody comes to the site. On 9th of April, they take an order. Then, my lords, on 13th, they attack the premises with about 150 people,
Yeah, the petitioners.
the petitioners. And, my lords, in the FIR, they have named 3 persons. Accused number 2 is dead. Accused number 3 lives in Saudi Arabia. Accused number 1 is 87 years old. Completely fictitious FIR is filed. Lords, I have been in possession. They suppress all the documents. Lords, they have filed a suit against 3 individuals. Now, my lords, I wonder why they choose those 3 names. They choose those 3 names, my lords, and they say in the complaint that every day they are coming there. When one gentleman is in Saudi Arabia, the other man is no more. He has died in 2016 because in 1974 an agreement is executed in my favor and I have been put in possession. RTC is in my name. Khata is transferred to my name. In 2024, my lords, what they do is the same property, by some sham documents, they create a partnership firm. Some person comes in, some person goes out. On paper, there is an entry in respect of the property.
Anyway, that is the whole, that is besides the point. It is with regard to
Lords.
police protection.
Please see.
Lords, I am in possession.
1 minute. 144, the order of the civil court. My learned friend is giving history or some stories.
No, no.
We are not interested in that. 144, please see the order. There is an injunction passed by the civil court.
No,
I favor.
he is not giving history. He was narrating mystery. ನೀವು ಇರ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವು ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಆ ಕತೆ ಬೇಡ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Please see the photo.
Order ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
At 144.
Against defendants claiming through restraining
From interfering with the plaintiff's possession of suit properties. Now,
identified so and so.
this is in effect.
Ah.
Now, my lords, what the police do on 15th, we show.
1 minute. You show me 1 or 2 documents that you were in possession of the property.
Lords, electricity bills are there.
ಬಿಲ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾರು ಕೊಡಿ.
Lords, these are urban property.
ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡಿ. Give me something else
Lords,
that
the
would
inside,
clinch that you were in possession of the
lords,
property.
my containers are thrown out by the police. Lock ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
you-
Premises is locked.
You
Gate
give
is
me
locked.
some document that
Lords,
you,
it's a vacant
since how
land.
long are you in possession?
Lords, please see the plaint.
How long are you in possession?
My lords.
How-
From the partnership, I am told it is 2 years, my lord, but if your
ಆಯ್ತು,
lordship
when-
sees it,
where is the partnership deed?
it's produced, my lords.
Yes, sir.
I'll just show that. Please come to the reconstitution.
The original title
My lords,
deeds of the
page,
property are with-
annexure F at page 81. ಇದೆನಾ? Reconstitution partnership, registered deed of reconstitution. Correction.
Reconstitution.
How the reconstitution,
ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು?
my lords, it's dated 28/9/2023. Continuing partners ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's a registered reconstitution deed. The continuing partner shall take over all assets of the said firm of so and so and such property so
All
taken
right,
out.
where is the original partnership deed?
That, my lords, your lordships would get page number, my lords, annexure E 50. So some of them go out, some are coming in.
Correct.
Huh?
Where is the property?
There. Now, my lords, this is the original partnership. Reconstitution is, I showed your lordship.
All right.
The ones who went out,
Hmm.
they gave up to the remaining partners.
All right.
Now, my lords, if this is the firm's property,
Hmm.
now,
Where is the property here?
my lords, that your lordship should get.
Hmm.
Please come
No,
to.
in the original deed.
That's that, it is a reconstitution, my lords, so
Original property ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
once
ಹಾ.
78.
No, no, original deed ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ
ಅದೇ
property?
78.
78.
Item number 1 schedule, item number 2 ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
All right.
ಎರಡು. Now this, there is a suit, now there is an ex parte injunction, but how does the police come and lock and throw my container out?
Hmm.
Please see what police does, my lords,
No, there is an injunction in your.
in my favor.
All right.
Now, what the police does, we have shown at, my lords, if your lordship sees, my main thing is that how the police come and try to interfere in my possession on 15.
Hmm.
And more so when there is a suit, my lords. Please see what they do.
Now who is in possession?
I am in possession, my lords. Your
Well,
lordship may
whoever
please
is
see.
in possession will continue to be
How
in
does the
possession.
police come and do this? That's the idea. So how does police get in?
Lords,
Correct. ನೀವು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ?
Lords, but they throw out my containers. How, lords? They can only lock it. Lords, if they start throwing out things, who has authorized them to throw out things?
They have not is this.
Lords, we have the CCTV. Your lordship can put the pen drive and see it right now.
let them show, my lords, if they have CCTV before 12th of April. 13th is when they
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
attack.
ಇವ್ರು
Before
ನೋಡಿ
12th, they
15th
don't have.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
15th
13th is when
ಹಾ.
they attack.
15th ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
From until 12th, I had CCTVs. They dislodged
going
those.
out.
Let them produce. my
Lords,
lords.
your
Before
lordship may
12th.
see the pen drive. 15th is
ಇಲ್ಲ,
the incident.
one minute. You are in possession ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, 15th, they throw
ಒಂದ್
me.
ನಿಮಿಷ. You are in possession
Yes.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? You have been in possession throughout.
Yes,
Give me the CCTV footage for the last 15 days.
maybe my lords, as on date, my lord,
Give me the CCTV footage 15 days prior to 13.
lords, yes,
prior
but
to
your
13th.
lordship may kindly see
No, no,
what,
CCTV footage ಕೊಡಿ sir.
your lordship may kindly see the prayer what I have
All
asked.
right, CCTV footage ಕೊಡಿ. You are saying you are in possession and they have thrown you out.
Lords, throwing me out. One ನಿಮಿಷ,
CCTV
I will
footage
try to get that, but
Yeah.
as of now,
Hmm.
my specific allegation is 15th of
We
April.
will tackle the allegation. I want to see the CCTV footage of 15
My lords,
days,
I am
15
told-
days prior to 13th.
Sir, my lord, CCTV I am told was installed only on 13th.
Why?
That's all. Dispute ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದಾನೆ, because there was, my lords, I am only saying this.
Now the cat is out of the
No,
bag.
no, not, cat is not out of the bag.
Or the skeletons out of
My
the
lords,
cupboard.
if your lordship sees
Yes.
this, there is, my lords, there is a dispute, I get an injunction. When there is a dispute, to protect my possession, I put CCTV.
Correct.
15th, my entire writ petition, if your lordship sees, is the action, I challenge the action of police in locking the premises.
ಆಯ್ತು, why CCTV footage was not there prior to that, sir?
My lords, we did not feel the need of it. Only when there is a serious, my lords, when I go to the court, get an injunction, there is a dispute.
ಅವತ್ತು CCTV footage.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಅಂತ. My lords, otherwise, my lords, when I get an injunction, if both the parties are warring and if police start to interfere, my lords, the right of
Police ಯಾವತ್ತು interfere ಆಗಿದೆ?
15th, please see that photos, everything is on 15th.
Other CCTV footage ಇದೆ.
Other than that is what I have produced.
Correct, 12th ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ
That's
record
whatever happens. 15th, what right did the police have to throw out things from my property?
We'll see, we'll ask the police.
That's exactly
No
what
problem.
was asked yesterday.
We'll see.
Lords, that is exactly what was asked.
No
Lords,
problem, we'll see.
I'm only saying this, once there is an injunction,
Hmm.
Lords, if it is a wrong order or a right order, police could not have gone in that. Lords, even if they lock the premises, they can't throw things out. And that is what exactly what they have done. They have thrown the things out.
All the original documents in respect of the property.
Lords,
are with me.
that is, he has to go before the civil court, get the
I have
injunction.
filed a writ
vacated.
already, ma'am.
That is a different aspect.
Filed a two
Today,
times.
what is my aspect? My entire thing is against the police. My lords, throwing my things out.
There's something more than what meets the eye.
Lords, not necessary, my lords.
So we'll take it on Tuesday.
Very well. My lord, but if your lordship permits, we will give the pen drive so far as because the office.
15 ಅಥವಾ 13th ಇಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆದ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Lords, my entire act,
ಕೊಡಿ sir.
I am only saying this. My
So
lords,
you entered the property only on 12th.
Lords,
1 minute. You entered the property only on 12th.
assuming I have entered on 13th. My lords, I will assume the worst case scenario. I have entered on
So
13th.
you drove those people out.
Not necessary. My lords, I am,
You drove those people out,
I am only saying.
entered the property on 13th, put up a CCTV to know what happens after 13th.
I have done
15th,
it.
the policeman came
My lords, I have
and did
done-
all this.
I have done that on 13th. Let's assume the, let's, I'll play
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
that.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರೋದು
Alla,
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
let's, I'll assume the worst case scenario. I enter on 13th. I have an injunction, I enter, I misuse it, I enter.
So
One ನಿಮಿಷ. Let me
injunction,
complete.
injunction of possession that you projected before the court is secured for the first time on 12th or whatever.
9th.
And 9th, all right. They were in possession. You have driven them out.
Let's, your lordships
And
are.
installed a
Let's,
CCTV
your
because they would
your-
come
no,
back and create
No,
problems. So
no,
it will
your
be recorded.
lordship, let's, your lordships are now assuming because I did
Not
not.
assuming.
No,
That's
because
the
I
only
did
way
not.
to look at it.
Illa, if I don't have CCTV before 13th,
Ah.
the need for CCTV arises when I feel the need.
Correct.
The need arose because there was a serious
Now,
dispute
now
being
there is,
created.
now to decide this, there is a need for CCTV footage prior to 13th.
Well, let's
There is no CCTV footage. We will have take one, we'll hear
let's-
them on 12th.
Now,
also,
my lord, the
22nd.
police, I am
23rd.
only saying, if there is a material to show that police on 15th enter the property and throw my things out, whether I had entered illegally or not, police had no, how could they even throw things
Minute,
out?
sir, if there is law and order problem in a particular property
What can they
and
do?
there is a complaint, what
They
can
can-
not,
well,
what
they
can
can
you do,
only
what
lock-
can the police do? They
well,
have to do it.
They have to only lock
Yeah.
the premises.
Lock the premises, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? We'll see what they have done.
But that's exactly what is my
Let the report,
allegation.
we'll see.
They were
If
trying
they
to
have
install
thrown
some
out my
idols.
things,
Huh?
They were trying to install some idols. It could have resulted in.
Idle.
well, if they are in, well, if they are in possession, ಅವ್ರು 13ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ CCTV.
ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಿ.
Well, that is precisely the case. He simply claims and the police come and throw my things out and your lordship says it's
You
okay.
want me to go deep into it? We will go.
No, it's not that. The police,
I will give a
I'm only
finding on
saying this.
everything.
Today, what authority the police had to,
If you want me to decide that, we will
That's-
decide it.
no,
Based on, get the factual report from the police who, why did they enter the property? Crime was registered or crime was registered, was there a call that there has been law and order problem in that place? And secure the
and
entire
it is
report.
their JCB which has thrown out. See the photo.
Who's JCB?
Police JCB, which
No,
throws
JCB
my things out.
JCB ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಅವರೇ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲೀಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ that you police
ಇಲ್ಲ,
stations
ವಿಡಿಯೋನೇ ಇದೆ,
are, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
police stations are converted into real estate chambers ಅಂತ. ಅದು JCB ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೀಗ?
That's why, my lords, we have the CCTV, whether I install on 13th or not, 15th, if they have done that. Well, that's the issue, whether police could have done that.
Yes, we'll see. Yes,
Well, it may come in the fresh matters list.
it will come only in the fresh
No,
matter.
it's come in the B group.
No, that's all. We'll correct it.
We'll again show, my lords, if your lordship's concern is on the possession part.
No, I'm not, the concern is not on that. Concern is what happened on 15th. Why did the police enter?
That's, my lord, my entire case before your lordships is only limited to that. The police could not have entered my property, even if there is
What
a
has
law.
happened to the injunction? It's still there or you
It is
challenged it?
operating.
On 9th, it was issued. I have filed, my lords, yesterday a 227 petition, which is listed on Monday.
Placed on Tuesday,
Please.
22nd.
But the police are.
You finish your fireworks there and come the next day. Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel Ken Pandit petitioner and the learned counsel representing the
Respond number 2, my lords.
respond number 2 and the learned HCGP. Learned HCGP shall secure a factual report from the hands of the officer in charge of the police station of our station. As the allegation by the petitioner is that the police have entered the premises and police have entered the premises, ransacked the premises, taken out all the containers of the petitioners and locked the premises later. The the senior counsel submits that the entire action of the police is recorded in the CCTV
On 15.
on
April.
15/4/2025. The learned counsel admits that they are in possession of the property throughout. They have been thrown out on 10th.
Lords, on 13th, they attacked me. I am still in possession.
The learned counsel, Manu Kulkarni submits that the second respondent is in possession of the property and about 50 to 100 men, 50 to 100 persons would enter the property of the second respondent, attack them, and therefore crime is registered on both the petitioner and the respondents. The issue is whether the police has acted contrary to law. Therefore, the factual report be placed before this court on the next date list on. But ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Lords, that's why I said, my lords, assuming the worst case scenario.
ಇಲ್ಲ, that is the
ಅಲ್ಲ,
best
ಅಲ್ಲ.
case scenario.
No, no, my
Yes.
lords, if I have entered illegally, ನಾನು ಒಳಗಿದ್ದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Whether the police can throw my things out, that's the issue. ನಾನು ಆಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಓಡಿಸ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಒಳಗೋದ್ನಾ ಹೋದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
none thinks now how do, my lords, if that is the case, then let's close the
We'll
courts.
see.
Let's
We'll
close the courts.
Police
station ಗೆ
arguments in
ಹೋಗೋಣ.
terrorism ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು
ಆಗಲ್ಲ
rapid
ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
justice
We
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
will
ಅವ್ರು
see.
ಇವತ್ತನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ್ರು.
These
Lords,
arguments in terrorism
ಅಲ್ಲ,
will not work.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
We'll see,
if
we'll
the
see on
police thinks,
22nd.
lords, if the police,
We'll,
it's only
police
this.
will have to act if there is a law and order problem.
They could have locked it. ಅಷ್ಟೇ lock
I
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
I want a factual report ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Absolutely. They
Let's
can
close
only
the
lock.
courts, civil terrorism
Lords,
ಇಲ್ಲ sir. No,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
nothing.
they can only lock it. Lords,
That
they
you may
can't take
say.
sides.
That you may say, and you can't tell the courts that the courts have to be
Lords,
closed.
I'm
It is-
saying
no,
this,
sir.
no, if the
No,
police
no,
say, I will throw your things out, Lords, that is the day when there is a danger.
We'll see. Police has not said so. You are saying so.
Lords,
We'll
I am
see.
saying, I
Yes.
am producing the
We'll
proof.
see.
They should come out. Yesterday, that is what they were asked to.
Let them come. Yes.
They were asked yesterday.
If we close the courts, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಅದು ಆಗದೇ ಅದು. Lords, otherwise,
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
police, Lords, we all know,
ಇಲ್ಲ, close the courts in literal sense.
ಬೇರೆದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ civil
ಇಲ್ಲ,
dispute.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
Police station ಗೆ.
ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ wait.
That's exactly what
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
will
ಅವ್ರು
happen.
JCB ನು ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Our JCB, that's why we said we'll produce the pen drive.
We'll
Pen
see.
drive is there.
Next day we'll see. Yes.